Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the HAOQIN VS2 smartwatch, and I'll be jumping right in right after this. Hey, if you're new to my channel and you end up liking my content, please go ahead and mash that thumbs up button. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so now I'm just going to do a quick rundown of the highlighted specs for the VS2 smartwatch. All right, it has an aluminum alloy build. It weighs 25 grams. Is rated IP68. So yes, you can go swimming with these. With IP68, it's 5 feet of water up to 30 minutes. All right, so no more than 5 feet of water and no longer than 30 minutes. You can install the app on your Android 5.0 and up or iOS 9.0 and up devices or phones. All right, it has a 180 milliamp battery. It has Bluetooth 4.2, so it doesn't have Bluetooth 5.0. All right, just keep that in mind. And it says with regular use, you can get up to 5 to 7 days, and standby, you can get up to 30 days. All right, so just a quick highlighted level of the specs. So let's take a look at the box real quick. You can see here it has different activities you can monitor. All right, you can find your phone, heart rate monitor. Of course, it has step counting. All right, and that's about it as far as the box is concerned. And with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, let's get this open here. Here we go. All right. All right. Get all of this out of there. Here's your charger cable. So type A to, just get this off of here real quick. There we go. So you have the magnets there with the 2 pins. All right. Some more material in here. Thank you card. All right, information regarding the company or their site and their service. And then your manual. All right, so let's get all this out the way and get right to it. All right, so let's have a closer look at it. Okay, so you have your clickable button there, or action button there. Your sensors at the bottom, this is where you would charge it. And you have the quick release pins for the watch band. So these can be changed out. Has a nice weight to it, so it feels like a premium product. Okay. Now, these come in 2 other colors. All right, so I can show you real quick. So black and then pink as well. And of course, this is the blue one. All right. Now, the required app that you would need to set this up on your Android or iOS is called the Fit app right there. All right. So you would just get that installed on your phone, and you can also download it right here by using this QR code to install it right directly to your phone. All right. That's right in the manual. Just so you know. All right, so let's go ahead and get this powered on. I'm not sure if I need to put this on the charger, but let's go ahead and see. Press and hold it for a few seconds. It vibrated and it's powered on. Pretty simple. Now the screen size of this watch is 1.4 inches. All right. It pretty much has the same footprint as the Apple Watch, as you can see. All right. So let me see. Now I know you can change multiple watch faces for this. You have to download the app, of course, and have that installed and set up, and then you can add more watch faces. But it does come with a few watch faces already. All right, so if you want to change the watch face, you hold it down for about a second and it'll vibrate, and then you can go to your different screens there. All right, so not a whole lot to start off with, but once you have the app installed on your phone, you can download more watch faces. All right, now let's go ahead and let's get past this. All right, so you have your training screen, steps, sleep. All right, now you can go scroll up. You have training, heart rate monitor, SpO2, messages. So yes, you can receive messages on here. All right, weather, camera shutter. So you can use this as a remote for your camera on your phone. And then you have music control as well, and then settings. All right, take a look at that real quick. So pretty straightforward, very simple. And once you have everything set up for your messages, you can just swipe down and you can check what messages you have there. All right, so pretty cool, pretty simple. Now what I want to do is go ahead and put this on so I can see how it looks while I'm wearing it. I have a larger size wrist, so let's see how this looks. All right, let's take this off real quick. And actually, let's do a quick size comparison. Galaxy Watch 3 and a VS2. All right, pretty cool. All right, so let's put this to the side real quick. Put this on. All right, and get you right in there. Slide that in. And again, I'm happy that you can change out the watch bands easily, and it's not just locked in, where if you want to get a different color, that's the only way you can have a different watch band. But here you have it. All right, works for me. Really nice, very comfortable. Take a look at that. And you can wake it up by flicking your wrist, as you can see. So let's wait for it to go to sleep. All right, and boom, it's back up. Turn it down. All right, it's off now, and it's back up. Pretty cool. All right. For the time's sake of the video, I won't go through the whole setup process to get the setup on my phone, but as long as you follow the steps in the manual, they're pretty straightforward. All right, pretty straightforward on how to get this set up. And once you do that, you should be good to go within minutes. All right, pretty cool, pretty easy. And what I recommend this watch, definitely. Very good price, a lot of features, very light, and it has that premium feel to it, and it's very comfortable while wearing it. And again, rated IP68, so you can take it for a swim or get water and sweat heavy on there and not worry about it a bit. So all in all, I think this will be a good purchase. If you're interested, use the link in the description as it will help me out. Again, this is the HAOQIN VS2 smartwatch. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.